Troubleshooting family sharing invitation issues.
Hello everyone, welcome to our guide today. We're going to tackle a common issue that some of you may have encountered with Apple's family sharing feature. What should you do when an invitation keeps getting rejected by the invited member? We'll provide a step-by-step guide on how to approach this issue, so let's get started.
Confirming the basic settings.
First things first, you need to ensure that you have the basic settings in order. Here's what you need to check. Make sure that both parties are using Apple devices. Family sharing is exclusive to Apple's ecosystem and it will not work across different operating systems. Check that both devices are updated to the latest version of the operating system. This ensures compatibility and often fixes any software glitches that could be causing the issue. Ensure that the person you're inviting has an Apple ID. This may seem obvious, but it is a prerequisite for family sharing. Check that the invited member is not already in another family group. An Apple ID can only be part of one family sharing group at a time.
Reinviting the family member.
Sometimes, there might be a glitch that is causing the family sharing invitation to be continually rejected. In this case, one solution can be to reinvite the family member. Here's how you do it. Cancel the initial invitation. You can do this from your family sharing settings. Ask the invited member to restart their device. This can help clear any software issues that might be interfering with the invitation process. Reissue the invitation. Go back to your family sharing settings and reinvite the member.
Verify invited member's Apple ID settings.
If reinviting the family member doesn't work, the issue might be on their end. Here's what the invited member needs to check on their device. Make sure they're signed in to iCloud with the Apple ID that you invited. The family sharing invitation will be sent to the Apple ID that you specified. Check the email associated with their Apple ID. Sometimes, the invitation may appear there instead of in their iCloud settings. Ensure they have enough space in iCloud. If their iCloud storage is full, they might not be able to join a family sharing group. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on what to do if your family sharing invitation keeps getting rejected by the invited member. If the issue persists even after following these steps, it might be worth reaching out to Apple's customer service for further help. We hope this guide has been useful, and thank you for watching.